What's up, guys? It's the first episode of the Cool Dudes or the Cool Guys Plays. And in this video, we're going to play the Subway Surfers. So, let's get into the game. Just have to get my daily dose of coins. Go under that. Around a train, then go up. Go have to make a risk, which is the easiest one I ever did. Oh, that was close. I'm just trying to be cool. I'm gonna try not to touch the ground, cause, bro, oh, I barely missed that. Come on. I don't think he's even gonna get close to me. Candy, seriously, who made this selection of words here? They suck. Train, train, go away, come back another day. Train, train, go away, come back another day. Speaking of that, it's raining. Anyways, why am I going towards the house? I just don't get it. And here comes the A. Anyways, I suck at this game. Anyways, bye and see you next time. Make sure to subscribe. We're planning to make merch soon. And lastly, thanks for subscribing and yeah.